cutting my hair, and depending on how much black is underneath here, even though it's not long, I may be bleaching it, but I want to do red, maybe like a red buzz cut. And since I've started doing this buzz cut, I don't even really go to the barbershop anymore. I just buzz it off with this. I'll link it in the description. You can get them at Target, Walmart. I think I only pay like 25 bucks for these. I mean, that's the price of one haircut depending on your barber. So y'all know I love to save money. And if I look a little tired, it's because I just woke up from a nap. So yeah, I'm gonna get started. This is how it cuts in. I know I don't have that much space to move around, so hopefully that you guys can see me. We did move about a month ago into a smaller place. We're trying to save money and just cut down on expenses. We're trying to get a house in next year too, so it's only the two of us. And I really like this new place. It's nice and cozy for the two of us. So this is what it comes. This is what it looks like here. I don't even put like the, I forgot what they're called, the glides on them or whatever. And that's because I'm buzzing it. It's going military style. So let me plug these in. So I'm back. Pretty balls. I forgot that I was doing red, and the Loreal hot color, it already has bleach in it. I don't know if you can look. Now I feel like a real YouTuber, but all in the description. I got coconut oil on my hands, so my hands are so oily because I normally put it on before I color. Developer, I always use iron sensitive scalp. I've tried to use other type of developers. I always come back to that one. That one works best for my hair. Let's see, I have some gloves just because normally I do bleach, so you know, it doesn't really stain your hand. So I'm just gonna get started here. Let's see what it says. Colors all mixed. This is my first time using half content. I just left the rest because I just didn't want to waste it, because I'm just gonna mix it. I don't even really have a lot of hair, so hopefully it turns out properly or close. I really don't have a goal in mind. I just want to do something a little bit different than a blonde, just because it's so hard to maintain, and I don't want to just, you know, just keep bleaching my hair all the time because I hate when my roots show. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with applying my color. I apologize in advance if you can't really see everything. I'm gonna have to figure out a better way to record in a smaller area, but let's get to it. So I think I'm all done. Ooh, this is red, and as you can see, I still have some left. That's why I didn't want to use the whole package, but I'm gonna leave this on because unfortunately I didn't have a 30 and I had a 40, so I'm gonna leave it on a little bit less than what it calls for. Wash it out and show you guys how it looks. So I'm back and I am red. It's not super dark. Well, it looks kind of not dark, but it's not super bright, which I'm happy about. Of course, parts of my skin got, you know, hair color on it, but that's okay. I actually picked this up with my hair color. It's called As I Am Co-Wash at Sally's. Here, buy one get one free, and this is one of my favorite co-washes. I haven't used it in a while, but when they go on sale, I stock up. So $8 for 2 of these isn't bad. This is probably the cheapest product that they have, because I've seen just shampoo for like 20 bucks from them, but I like that brand. So if you need a good co-wash, go check them out there at Sally's. And that's about it. I'm just gonna put some coconut oil in my hair, chill out, and get ready for the week. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, all of that good stuff. Until next time, I love you guys. Peace.